Hey guys, and welcome back to VolatilityTV here. I just wanted to do a quick video here showing you guys my profits for today. Today is August 10th, 2020. And yeah, as you can see on your screen right here, profit for today is $93.25. Just absolutely amazing. What an amazing day. So clearly we are pretty much red here. And I traded ticker symbol AMZN, which is Amazon. Yeah, so let me just turn on my trades right here so you can see it. Alright, and actually my first trade would have been in pre-market. So if you can see right here, you can literally see that I took my first trade at around 7:34 a.m. in the morning. And yeah, market usually opens at 9:30. I actually took a quick scalp right here. And for this first trade, I made about like $20. I can show that on the screen right here. Right, and then I waited until the market actually opened. And again, like I keep saying, there's always these trends that you have to you can actually pick up when you follow one ticker symbol. It doesn't matter what it is. If you look at it right here, you can actually see that there was a huge volume, so the selling pressure was pretty high, so it's huge pullback. And then we had this nice gap up here, this nice reversal, verifying that we're going above the EMA line. So again, I with this first candle here, with this push up, I took my trade here and I got in at 31.56, as you can see right here, and then I got out. So a couple dollars right here, so $3 on that. It was probably pretty much up like $50 or so. And then I took my third trade, so this would have been the second one. And then I took my third trade above the EMA, get in, get out, lock in profits. And then I waited again, get in, get out. Again, I react very quickly in order to trade right here, because as you can see right now, it started to just pretty much downtrend. And then we started downtrending from there. And then later on, waited again for confirmation for it to actually reverse. So it needs to verify and go over this EMA line right here, and then I take my trade. So you can see right here, I got in 31.23, 31.25. amazing, bringing me at $93.25. Sure, I could have waited a little bit more, but we're not greedy. It's all about the process, not the profit. So as long as you can have a working strategy that works for you, this is just my strategy. I usually do 10 shares per trade, so that's around $30,000, and I just lock in my profits and call it a day. As you can see, the market is actually still open. It's like lunchtime right now. I'm pretty much finished trading for the day. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you. And actually, it's only 5 trades I did today, so the less trades you actually do, the better you are as a trader. And also you can see it's pretty much a red day right now. We're down negative 1.10%, which is just, it's absolutely crazy. And if you take a look here at /NQ, you can see that the futures market right now, it's, we had this huge sell-off. It's just huge gap down. And then now we're trying to recover, so you can pretty much make money in any type of market. Some people just choose to short sell, some people choose to go long, some people scalp. You should just find something that actually works for yourself, and yeah, just have fun trading. And always make sure to manage your risk and don't go all in. So make sure you have a plan, don't use your full trading account. And yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys today. So absolutely amazing day. We'll see what brings for tomorrow. So how are you guys doing right now? Are you guys actually still trading? It's lunchtime right now, as I said before. And are you guys gonna continue trading until the market closes at 4 o'clock? Or are you locked in profits already and you called it a day? Let me know in the comment section down below. Let me know how you guys are doing today. It's absolutely a pretty amazing day. So yeah, thanks again for watching. If you like this video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe. Man, this is YouTube, man. You know what to do, man. This is YouTube. Peace.